Hello, meet ROROJET, salute. This robot called ROROJET because ROROJET stands for Robot ROROJET. Well, ROROJET in English means junk because all of these body parts of this robot are all junks, electrical component junk that no longer working. And JET stands for Joule thief because it is not just a decoration. Some of these body parts are working circuit. This transistor, resistor and around toroid is a working circuit of Joule thief. So normally you will need at least 3 volts to turn this LED on, but when you are using Joule thief you need only 1.5 volt. Wait, this is a bad switch. Okay, see, using only one battery, 1.5 battery, but it can power 2 LEDs. And one more battery slot here, use it for this battery that will turn on the light on the chest and also a laser. And there, ooh, the laser is on. And then this light in the chest. Okay, so there are working circuit here. It's not just a merely decoration, but it also has a working circuit. The laser, the gun, the chest, the power, it's like Iron Man. Oh man, this one is turn it off again because it has bad switch. Come on. Okay, so these are all working now. And this hand can also be replaced simply by plugging it out and then replace it with this claw hand and some magnet here. Ooh. Seems like that the battery is almost died. And can it stand? Let's see. Oh, yes, it can. And what about this small robot? You see all of the body parts here are all electrical components. From the head, a 3055 transistor, the big transistor, and then smaller transistor, 555 ICs, LED, capacitor, and also, you know what it is, you can guess it, it's a switch and also the bulbs here. All are electrical components, except for this sword, because this is a soldering can. The rest are all 100% electrical components.